In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to your server using SSH with Hostgator. Whether you're managing a website or simply want to explore server capabilities, learning to use SSH is an essential skill. So let's dive right in and make this process as simple as possible. To start off, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hostgator website. Hostgator is a popular web hosting service known for its user-friendly interface and reliable customer support. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, where you'll need to provide your credentials to access your account. After entering your login details, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Hostgator homepage. This can typically be done by clicking on the Home link, which will return you to the main account management area. Here you'll find a variety of options to manage your hosting services. Look for the website button and give it a click. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to configuring your server. Next, you'll locate the settings option on this page. Clicking here will bring up a panel with more detailed options for managing your hosting setup. Among these options, you should see an advanced section. By heading into this area, you are engaging with deeper configuration settings that will allow you to effectively use SSH keys. Inside the advanced section, scroll down until you find the SSH keys option. Secure Shell, or SSH, is a secure network protocol that allows you to execute commands and manage your server remotely. It essentially acts as a secure channel, ensuring that any information exchanged is encrypted and protected against potential eavesdroppers. Once you've clicked on SSH keys, you will see a Manage button. Click this button to start managing your SSH keys. This is where you can add or modify the keys that allow you to securely connect to your server. Familiarize yourself with this page, as it is critical for maintaining secure access to your server activities. And that's it. You've navigated through Hostgator's interface to set up and manage your SSH connection. Remember, using SSH is not only about accessing your server, but also about doing it securely. Always ensure your keys are up to date and never share them publicly. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to master SSH connections with Hostgator, enhancing your capability to manage your server efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tutorials to expand your server management skills.